Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I have goodies. These are Madam Glam gel polishes, and the lovely ladies at Madam Glam sent me out some, and I also did purchase a whole bunch myself, and I have another 10 on the way, I think. Now, I did used to use Madam Glam in my videos quite often. I haven't used them for a while, and the only reason for that is because I've had other brands that I've been trying out and I've sort of stuck with. So I'm going back to use some Madam Glam because they are absolutely fantastic, and the great thing about these is they're not a professional only brand, so anybody can purchase these. And I use a lot of professional brands, and I can tell you what, Madam Glam is absolutely right up there with some of the best professional brands I use, and I know loads of nail technicians that actually use these colours in their salons on their clients. So they're really, really gorgeous. 15ml bottles, if I just pick a random one, so the colours in the lid, the colours on the label, they are 15ml as I said, and they're UV and LED curable. And I think they've just announced there's something like, I think it was 9 free, so all the nasty stuff that used to be in gel polishes and nail polishes, there's none of that in these. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to pick a couple of colours and I'm going to just do a tutorial today. Now, I'm also probably going to give you a bit of a sneaky peek of a Dixie plate that's coming up next year. There's no release date yet, but I'm testing a few plates out. So keep an eye out and let's get to it. Okay, so these are the colours that I've chosen. I am going to show you in real time how they apply because the glitter actually applies quite a bit differently to the cream shade. So the two colours I've chosen are All the Way Up, and I've also chosen this one called Fluorescent Lights. And the reason I've chosen that, and I don't know whether you can tell from the lid, the particles of glitter actually match the this colour here, the cream shade. There are actual colours in that. It's already on my ring finger, so I don't know if I can show you there. Hopefully you can see that, but they're a perfect match to this colour. So I'll show you how they apply and then I'll do the rest speeded up. Sped up? Speeded up. Whatever. So for the glitter, I've zoomed quite far in. Now, when you do apply this, use a light hand and don't put too much pressure on when you apply, because if I put that on, I'm using a very light hand. If I put more pressure on, all you end up doing is dragging it off. So a very, very light hand will give you better coverage than if you're fairly heavy-handed with it. And it is absolutely beautiful. I am going to do 2 coats of this because it just looks a lot prettier, but look at that colour, it's just beautiful. So that's the Fluorescent Lights. Okay, so I'm just going to apply the cream shade. So this is the one that's called All the Way Up. Now, you don't have to apply this in super, super thin coats either. It doesn't wrinkle. It's really lovely. And I would say in consistency, the closest brand that I have that would compare to this would be Gel Bottle Ink. Very, very similar in consistency. You get an opaque coat with just the first coat. Sorry, that's really difficult to paint on camera without covering my skin, which I've just done there. But that is, I'll clean that up in a second, but that is the colour and that is how opaque it is with just one coat. So yeah, very, very similar in consistency to Gel Bottle. All done. I love these. These are gorgeous. I've used the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat to finish. As I said at the beginning of the video, these compare very, very closely to some of the top professional brands that I've used, and I know so many ladies that do use these on their clients and everybody loves them. I have a 30% discount code. I'll link that on the screen now, and I think there is actually a link that you need to click to use my code, which will be linked in the description bar. So just go down, scroll down in the information box below and have a look. Stamping plate will be out early next year, so you'll have to wait till then. Sorry guys, I just thought I'd do a sneak peek for you. Stamping polish is Dazed from Twinkle Tea. You can buy this from me if you are in Australia. If you're not, you need to go through another stockist. I can't send this outside the country. Now, I used a new cuticle oil today as well, so I thought I'd show you. It's the Ugly Duckling 24 karat oil. And super thick. It's really, really thick, but it goes such a long way. Like, I hardly had to put any on. And this in the bottom is actually a real pearl. And if you read the Ugly Duckling website, it says each bottle contains a genuine pearl. Pearls are known for their antioxidant benefits and their ability to stimulate the regeneration of collagen. So there you go. Really, really pretty. It's got lots of little flecks of gold in there. So I'll let you know how I go that. It smells absolutely divine, and it's so nice. It's like a dry oil. It doesn't leave your hands feeling greasy. I'm going to leave it there because I've talked a lot and my voice feels like it's about to go. So guys, thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box. I'll link all of the products along with the discount code below. I do have a reverse stamping plate video, reverse stamping video coming up very soon. So stay tuned, and I will catch you in the next one. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.